Welcome to the SDN Tool Series. Today we are going to discuss the Medical School Application Cost Calculator. The Medical School Application Cost Calculator helps you estimate the cost for different aspects of the application process. It takes about 15 minutes to go through the cost calculator. At the end, it provides a summary of your expenses and suggestions of ways to reduce the costs. So let's get started. If you're new to the channel, click the subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified when we upload new videos. Comment below or join the discussion at studentdoctor.net. We also have Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. You can find us at Student Doctor. First, you will need to pay to register for the MCAT, either the standard registration or late. Next, you'll need to study for the MCAT. The cost for MCAT preparation tools ranges from free for resources like Khan Academy videos to many thousands of dollars for one-on-one tutoring. We'll select just the basic materials available from the AAMC, including the practice tests. The next expense will be preparing your applications. Will you be applying to allopathic medical schools, osteopathic, Texas? Each one has its own set of application fees. There are other potential fees for transcripts, letter services, and the absolutely essential MSAR. Then we'll move into secondary applications. Which schools are you planning to apply to? Schools charge you a fee for review of your secondary applications, which can vary. Next, we move on to interviews. Assuming that you get one or more interviews, you'll need a suit to wear. You'll need to have that suit cleaned after each interview. Lastly, you will need to travel to your interviews. Traveling adds up quickly, especially when flights and hotels are involved. You will probably want to arrive the night before if you're traveling long distance. So make sure you're planning for lodging costs before and after your interview if needed. Finally, you're provided with the cost summary. The grand total, this may have added up to a lot more than you expected. The calculator identifies your highest cost areas so that you can consider ideas for cost reductions. In our example, travel is one of our largest expenses. So maybe I could consider a lower cost lodging option like rooming with another student or cheaper meals. We also allow you to calculate what your costs will be if you qualified for fee assistance based on your financial situation. While the total may be more than you expected, with the cost calculator you are armed with knowledge needed to prepare for your medical school application process. Good luck with your application. If this video was helpful, please like it. If you'd like to receive additional content from the Student Doctor Network, please subscribe.